As we mentioned in our last video, Twinkl Go resources are split into 5 sections: Explore, Listen, Play, Watch and Teach. Let's have a look at each section.
Firstly, let's go on the Explore section. So Explore is full of content-rich resources that are designed to introduce topics, test and revise. The main resources in Explore are hotspots and self-marking activities. Hotspots are great for introducing new topics. They're full of facts and key information, as you can see here on our Arctic hotspot. The self-marking reading comprehension tasks are designed to test a child's reading and comprehension level to encourage improvement.
Next, let's look at Listen. The Listen section is the home of our collection of audiobooks, including audiobooks for Twinkl original stories. You can use audio flexibly in the classroom as an additional guided reading activity for children to recall and overlearn the story. All the audio is great for children to use at home, perhaps as bedtime stories or for car journeys. One of our favourites is the Pirate's Ship Sound Stories collection, an immersive series of interactive audio activities where children take the part of a pirate on a typical pirate ship.
If you're looking for interactive educational games, then look no further than Go's Play section. Kids love interactive games, which makes this platform a powerful tool for teaching. Children can learn and practice new skills whilst having fun. Most games are differentiated with the content randomised, so that games can be played time and time again, meaning hours of enjoyable fun. Using the classroom as a whole class, in groups or on pairs in iPads, or set as homework for the children to have fun with at home and share their learning with their parents.
In the Watch section, you will find video and animation resources. Why not have pupils play a game, take an interactive quiz and move on to an animation on the same theme or objective? The resources cover an ever-expanding range of topics and are great for visual learning. Why not try one of our animation videos for some pre-learning on a new topic? Short animations take children through the essentials of an objective, whilst longer story animations can be used alongside written story versions for engagement and comparison. The Teach section is full of suggestions on how to build a lesson around our major Go resources. In here you will find handy lesson suggestions for the whole class, groups and use at home. Each lesson suggestion also has the links to resources from the main Twinkl site to use alongside the Go resources to create a comprehensive lesson for your students.
In the next video, we'll show you how to share resources with your students.